Hey everyone, out here in the prepper garden, been planting some more. Just to give you another update what's going on out here. So far on the apple trees, there are I haven't even seen any blossoms yet on them at all yet. But on some of the other trees, there's been some fruit setting. So we're gonna look here. This is the cherries. I don't see any of the fruit setting or signs that fruit has set, but on that one, let's check this one over here. Still has blossoms coming out, so it may not have set any fruit on there. Not sure yet, but we'll see what happens here in the next week or so. On the pears, let's take a look at the pears. Yeah, oh yes, we got some fruit set on the pears. Yeah, some more fruit set down there. So we do have some fruit setting on that pear. This one should be the same because it's the same type on here. Yeah, there are a couple in there that have set. We still have more blossoms on it. Got my cucumber I moved outdoors here, and it's growing even faster now that it's outdoors. I got 6 pumpkins to go in tomorrow morning, and more ones. I got two more tomato plants to put in this afternoon. This is the so begins with it. This is the Alberta peach, and not sure if there's any fruit set on it. Kind of looks like some of these might be setting fruit, but it's going to take another week for it to actually show up on it. And I got a whole bunch more different types of squash put in here. Got more. Those are cantaloupe. There's another tomato I potted, and it's already got some fruit on it. This one here is the Red Haven, and it looks like some of the fruit may have set here on the Red Haven. So we'll see how that goes here. Over here on the Montrose, geez, on the Montrose apricot, look at all that fruit that is set in there. Holy moly, I'm going to have to do a lot of thinning in the next couple weeks here. Probably get out here with the staff sergeant next week and figure out which ones we want to thin out. Now over here on the Chinese, or AKA Mormon apricot, yeah, we got some fruit set here as well, going up there. Oh yeah, a bunch of fruit up there too. So, all right, so that's what we got here up on the trees, and like I said, some more squash going in. I did a dozen. I think I did a dozen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 14 of the long neck chomps. Got some lettuce here. A couple of these wilted out. I needed to water more. I made a mistake on this one. I didn't, flood the soil. Figured, we're just starting to get warm soil. Should still be wet. No, it wasn't. But as I flood it more and more, these are making a comeback. Got the couple of rainbow chard here. This one here was the same problem, but it's making a comeback there. This I got to weed still. Got to finish prepping this one. I got 2 tomatoes in here, looking pretty good, and 2 more tomatoes here. This one has a lot more blossoms on it. I got my I can't remember the name of the peppers. These were the sweet hot ones that I planted. So they're all planted and at the same time, but I'm just going to need to add a little more fertilizer for that one there. But these are doing good in here. Now these lettuce, I did soak the soil first before I planted it, and these are just doing great here. So I got this one all soaked up. I'm going to probably put tomatoes in this one here. I got to get this one done. I got some more compost to bring over to add to this one. This one's going to have onions. This is going to have onions in it. And then I got to get these 2 here, these cleaned out. These are going to have a different type of onion and a different type of onion. And then I'm going to be putting radishes and down on different type radishes down here. So yeah, it's finally starting to cool off. It got hot today. I'm not sure how hot it got. Oh, I got another one over there. I got to finish. I'm mixing compost and dirt up and filling these up. So yeah, we're having fun here. But yeah, I mean, I'm just absolutely ecstatic to see how many more fruit set on these trees this year than what came with them when I bought them last year. There were only a couple. The peaches had a few on there. The apricots only had 1 or 2 on them, but the apricots are now absolutely loaded. And this apricot tree is a lot taller than it was when I planted it. So it's really shot up this spring. All right. Okay, I can't think of anything else. So stay happy, stay safe. Get out there and plant a garden. If you have a garden, enlarge it. I'm adding a lot more plants this year than I had last year down in here. And I'm going to be going up this way here with a bunch more. And then I'm going to go around the corner there where I brought in all the wood chips and be planting more stuff over there as well, too. All right, so take care, and I will see you around.